How to fix too many requests in ChatGPT. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix too many requests on your ChatGPT. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is just open up your ChatGPT and go to another tab and search for your OpenAI status. So simply type in OpenAI status or directly head over to status.openai.com. So tap on this, and from here you should be able to check the system's status. You can check how much errors that they're having, if the system is down or up, and check that here. So if you see any problems here, all you can do is wait for a few minutes and few hours also sometimes, so the problem gets resolved and this lines or this colors come back to normal, that is green or yellow. So just make sure that the chat gpt is working fine, and after doing that, what you can do is head over to your three dots on the top right, then scroll down, then you find settings, tap on settings, and you're on your Google Chrome's setting or any web browser's setting. Then you'll need to head over to privacy and security right here. Then from here you will find an option called third party cookies. Make sure you've blocked them and tap on delete browsing data. And now what you'll need to do is you'll need to delete cookies and other site datas. And if you want, you can also clear out the cached images and files. Tap on delete and delete those details. After that, you're basically good to go. Your ChatGPT should be working just fine. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.